Let's find out how to use a fire extinguisher. Let's bring the normal fire extinguisher on the right to the fire extinguisher stand in front of us. Look closely at the pressure gauge. Well done. The green color of the pressure gauge is the normal fire extinguisher. A fire broke out. Take a fire extinguisher and turn off the light. First pull out the safety pin on the handle, hold the hose facing the fire, then grab the handle and spray it toward the fire. Good job. In case of fire, a fire broke out again. This time, use a throwing fire extinguisher to extinguish the fire.